Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today I'm going to be showing you how to make ranch. First we're going to start off by making the ranch seasoning mix. It's really simple. We need a couple ingredients. We're going to mix it together. And then from there we're going to make the ranch dressing. This is all really simple. The ranch seasoning goes great on chicken on the grill, inside burgers. Really, the possibilities are endless. And then we're going to make the ranch dressing. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the ranch seasoning mix, we are going to need half a cup of buttermilk powder, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of dried chives, 2 teaspoons of dried dill weed, 1 tablespoon of dried diced onion, 2 teaspoons of salt, and last but not least, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Now all we're going to do is mix this up in a bowl and it's going to be done. Just go in with all the ingredients. There's no special order, any way that you want to. Now we're just going to incorporate this. Now this is a great substitute from all those pre-packaged ones that you buy in the store. It just has so much more flavor. You can really adjust the flavor to your liking as well. And I would say it's better for you because it doesn't have all those extra unwanted ingredients. Now that looks good. Just give it a stir about a minute just to get everything mixed up perfectly. Let's give it a taste. That's so good. That's gonna make anything you put this on delicious. Now you can store this in an airtight container for up to 9 months. Now let's hit the cutting board and see what we need to make this into ranch dressing. For the ranch dressing, we are going to need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 2.5 tablespoons of our ranch seasoning. First thing we're going to do is combine our buttermilk and our mayonnaise. Now if you want this thinner, you can add more milk, buttermilk. Just going to want to get this mixed up till it's well combined. Just like that, comes together in seconds. Make sure we get all of it. Perfect. And now we're going to go in with our ranch mix, just like so. And there you have it. All we have to do now is let this sit in the fridge for about an hour to let these flavors really come together. But other than that, you have homemade ranch dressing in less than, what, 5 minutes? Let's give this a taste. Oh, that's out of this world, I'm telling you. Go out and make yourself some homemade ranch dressing. Start making everything in your house. Correction, I added 4 tablespoons of the seasoning into this, not 2.5. Now you can store this in a container in the fridge for 8 to 10 days. Thanks for stopping in, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. Share with everybody. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.